Hey, my name is Max Weber, and this is my product, Formula 369 Dispenser. I myself am a pretty avid cyclist, and every once in a while I have to fill up my water bottles with an endurance drink mix. Basically sugar, but it helps me a ton. When doing that, I often get sugar all over. It's a pretty big scoop, so it's harder to get in these narrow-necked bottles. So I wanted to create a product that does it for me, that won't leave a mess. And to show off a little cycling stuff, I thought it'd be cool to wear one of my old-timey cycling hats. Here we go. All right, perfect. I feel ready. So I wanted to show off this product and kind of talk a little bit more about it. So let's jump in on how this thing works. So it's programmed using Arduino, and it is a state machine. So as the user goes through different states, it will enter the dispensing state, and when in that state, it enters into a feedback loop where it turns the stepper motor and will measure how much weight has been added to the scale, and then it will compare it to what the user has selected. So if it's not quite at the weight it wants to be at, the user wants it to be at, the stepper motor will keep turning and keep filling the bottle until it reaches that stage. So let's show how this thing works. First thing you're going to want to do is take your powder and put it into the capsule, the storage capsule up here. That should be enough for multiple bottles. Then you can close it up and keep it all high and dry. Perfect, so once that's filled, the user will be directed by the LCD screen and able to use their user input of a joystick to select what they want. So they can press to begin, and they'll be directed towards an options menu where they can select the amount of grams that they want to add. And then they can choose how much grams they want. And it can go anywhere from 5 to 150. I'm just doing a short ride today, so it would be perfect to do 10 grams. Then they'll be directed to place the bottle onto the load cell, and they'll be asked to press to zero the bottle, and then after a couple seconds it will begin the dispensing process. So we can go ahead and begin that. So it zeroes it, and then as you can see, it starts dispensing the powder from our little tunnel here. Now looking back here, we can kind of see some of the powder being dispensed by the stepper motor. This is perfect though, because when it's dispensing, you can get ready for your bike ride. So I can put on my helmet. So it's getting close to the 10 grams. And you can hear and see when it's finished due to the LED here in the base that lights up when it's finished. And our buzzer back here that activates when it has finished also. So that is the Formula 369 dispenser. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you buy this one day.